Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix black frames in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a very common problem, especially when you use effects, titles, adjustment layers, or nested clips. Your video looks fine inside Premiere, but when you play it back or export it, you suddenly see black frames. Let's fix it step by step. First, look closely at your timeline. If you have an effect, a title, or an adjustment layer above your video, make sure it does not go past the end of the clip below it. If an effect is longer than the video clip, Premiere has no frames to show, and it displays black. So here, simply trim the effect or title so it ends exactly where the video ends. This alone fixes the problem for many people. Step 2. Next, if your clip is a nested sequence, double-click on it. This will open the nested sequence. Now, press the backslash key on your keyboard to fit the timeline to the screen. Go to the end of the nested sequence. If the sequence ends before your effects or clips finish, Premiere will show black frames. To fix this, extend the clip inside the nest or make sure the sequence is long enough. Always remember, the nested sequence must be longer than all effects inside it. If the black frames still appear, here is step 3. Right-click on the problematic clip or nested sequence and select Render and Replace. Choose a high-quality format, like ProRes or Cineform. This will create a new video file with all effects baked in. Once this is done, Premiere no longer needs to calculate effects in real time, and black frames usually disappear completely. This step is very effective. Step 4. Now. This step is extremely important and fixes black frames for many users. Go to File, then Project Settings, then click on General. Here, look for Renderer. If you see Mercury Playback Engine, software only, select it immediately. This mode is slower, but it is much more stable, especially for exporting videos with effects or nested clips. Now click OK and export your video again. If software only is not showing, common problem? Don't worry, this happens to many people. Let me show you how to fix it. First, close Adobe Premiere Pro completely. Now, go to your search bar and look for Adobe Premiere. Keep holding Control, Shift and Alt, and click on Adobe. Keep holding the keys while it's launching. A reset options will pop up and make sure you select the first 2 options. This resets Premiere preferences. Now go again to File arrow, Project Settings arrow General. You should now see Mercury Playback Engine, Software Only. Select it and click OK. If Software Only still doesn't appear, close Premiere Pro, open Device Manager in Windows. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, NVIDIA or AMD, and select Disable Device. Now open Premiere Pro again. Go to File arrow Project Settings, arrow General. Because the GPU is disabled, Premiere will automatically use Mercury Playback Engine, software only. Export your video. After exporting, close Premiere and re-enable your graphics card. Use this method only for exporting, not editing. If none of these methods work, choose Mercury Playback Engine, GPU Acceleration, OpenCL. OpenCL is sometimes more stable than CUDA and can reduce black frame issues. Step 5. Finally, avoid nesting clips inside other nested clips. Nested clips inside nested clips can confuse Premiere and cause timeline and export bugs. If you need to simplify your timeline, use Render and Replace instead of nesting again. One nest is okay. Multiple nests inside each other can cause problems. After following these steps, your video should play normally and export without any black frames. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips and fixes. See you in the next video.